Hey, before I do this, I'll just warn everyone quickly, I am going to clean the chicken's vent. So yeah, get ready for some nice graphic pictures. So this is probably about a week old chick. This guy also, he's probably about 4 or 5 days. Unfortunately, you can see the size difference. This guy's tiny. It was a little premie that I helped out of the egg. Yeah, so anyway. Alright, get ready for the fun part. So, with this little tacky here, come buddy. Unfortunately, his feet are a little bit mangled, and if you look at his vent, or its vent, sorry, see how it's all hardened up, like its vent is up here. So this guy I've already had in warm water and soaked him and massaged the vent and got some poo moving. He's still breathing well, but unfortunately this morning his eyes are closed. Well, he's resting a lot and got his eyes closed, so I think unfortunately he's in a bit of pain. They say chickens don't have pain receptors, but yeah, I sometimes beg to differ. So basically what I'm going to try to do is, got this warm water, it's probably maybe 39 degrees now. I do prefer it a little bit warmer, but you're not going to like this, eh? Come on. He's not a fan of water, he's already, yes, I know, it's okay. So I'm trying to do is loosen up the membrane in the egg white. Now I'll pause the video quickly because this does, there you can see some of the crap starting to come off a bit now. All I want him to do, I'm not too worried about getting all this pasty stuff off at the moment. It's more just to get the vent clear so he can poo. Yeah, see, there you go, look. So no, sorry, it's a bit gross, but you can see its vent there, and you can see how it's all crudded up, and you'd be really constipated. So yeah, I'll pause the video for a second. Alright, so you can see its vent is there. If you're lucky enough, you might even be able to see the vent opening and closing when he tenses it, or when it tenses it, sorry. So I am going to just keep massaging it a little bit in the water. I did get some poo to come out, which is really good. You can see the colour of my beautiful water here. Come on, mate, relax, please. So what I was doing, again, I don't really recommend this, but if you get stuck. So I got him in the warm water, and all I'm doing is just massaging around the vent. He had 2 little poos before, that's why the water's gone really nicely coloured. Hang on, mate, come on, we've got a little bit more. I just want to get you to poo, please. Yeah, I don't know if you can see there, but so there's he's constipated a bit. I want to get that, I want to get this big hard bit here off, but it's really stuck on good, so I've already massaged that and wet that 3 times, but you can see sort of some of the white poo coming through there now, that's good. Some of it's still a bit cruddy, so I'm going to keep massaging. All I'm doing is very gently doing that in the warm water, and then basically moving it that way. So I'm just trying to move the poo closer to the vent. Oh yes, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Look, so if you look closely, you can actually see how. Come on, make your vent move again. Anyway, its vent was moving. So that's all I want to do. So I'm not going to actually worry about this part now. I've got the vent moving again, which means you'll be able to have a poo. I might just give it a bit better. Come on, mate. So this guy's going to become one of my little VIPs. I don't know. I think just because of the time and effort that's gone into this one in particular, I've probably spent a good 4 or 5 hours already with him. Yeah, see there. Oh, good. All right, excellent. That's what I was hoping to see. So now, if I see the vent, you can actually see some poo coming out. Unfortunately, he is constipated. So actually, if anyone knows a safe laxative I can give this guy, unfortunately, look at the size of him. See, I don't really want him to shit himself too much because he needs to try to retain some weight. Yay, there we go. So, now, come on, open your vent again, please. Anyway, the vent just opened up and I could actually see down the hole. I'm happy with that. Just yeah, just going to make sure it's really clean and all the feathers are away, so when it does have a poo, it should be able to get it out easily. And then, yeah, and because this guy likes his bath so much, just give him a bit of a rinse with some warm water. Oh, sorry mate. Yeah, I know, that went chilly quickly, didn't it? Straight to the warm water again. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to rinse you again like that. You love it. Poor chicken. Look at this. I love this though. This is really cute. Look, because the water's probably about 42, 43 degrees. Oh, he's having a nice bath, mate. He loves it. Oh, you're a cutie. There you go, mate. So yeah, I'm going to pause it quickly, but I'll get some paper towel and just try to dry him up a bit. There you go, he's snug as a bug in a rug. He looks really content, loves it. So what I'll do with this guy now is I'll pop him into the incubator just so I know that he's got some humidity and good temperature. And then once he's dried off, then he can go back in with the other chicks. I'm going to have to, he really needs to have a really good feed. That'd be the best thing I want at the moment. So with the paper towel, all I do is I'll wrap it once. You can see how much water come off there. And then just get another dry bit of towel. Obviously it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm being very gentle with my fingers. And come on little guy, you got to make it please. Yeah, alright, so I'll keep doing little updates of him. As I said, he's like one of my little VIPs now, but if you have a look at the vent now, that hard bit's still here. Sorry, the vent's here, but anyway, in front of the vent, still got that hard part there. That was all over his head, wings and everything, so we managed to save all that. But what I mainly want to see is just that the vent is pulsating. Can't really see it too well, but... Oh, there you go. Yeah, see, that's the vent there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera too well, but you can see the little opening there. Yeah. So, going to pop the guy in here. So it'll be at 37.8 degrees, at 65% humidity.